What's up, banker? We back. I copped an IS, but that's gonna be for a later video. Today we're gonna work on the Integra, and I got a couple of new parts for it, so we're gonna do a little cold start and then we'll get to the parts. This shit got sunburnt, but yeah. Got these two parts for the Teggy, and then this is gonna be for the IS. So these already come pre-drilled, and they come with screws as well, so should be chilling on these. We're gonna have to sand it. We got some 600 grit. I'm going with ingot silver metallic for the paint, and then some 1K clear. All right, y'all, fast forward. We're gonna use 600 grit, and we're just gonna sand down the pieces a little bit, and then we'll get to painting them. Oh, these are finally it. There she is. Let's get it. And a quick little walk around at the Integra before. So yeah, no lip kit right now. Yeah, it doesn't have any lips or side skirts. This is how they look after they're sanded. Now we're just gonna rinse them off, and then we'll get to painting.
What the?
Why?
We got this rear valence all sanded up with 600 grit. That's enough to scuff the surface and give you kind of a smooth finish.
Alright.
Yeah, we got rid of all the little imperfections that came with it. Now we're gonna try to get all the grease off of it using Dawn dish soap and then just scrubbing it in.
One drop of Dawn and the grease is gone, baby.
Alright, back at it, day 2. What are we currently
This is like
doing,
a
bro?
month later. So we let the clear and the paint dry. The paint came out really good. Came out nice. Looks pretty legit. So right now we're gonna go ahead with 1500 and we're gonna scuff up the little run I had right here. That way we could re-clear and get this smooth.
Oh yeah. Just about. A little body kit or what?
Oh yeah.
That looks sick, huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, mixed in EP3. We're about to install this side. So I was originally gonna go with double-sided tape for this area right here, but the fitment isn't the best, so it looks like we're gonna have to go with screws. I don't think I showed you guys. Got some new mats for the tag. They're already kind of dirty, but yeah. We can honestly reuse these. These are hella nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh, that's perfect. Can you push this in here?
Actually, what else do you want me to do? You want me to cook dinner?
I don't know if I fuck with it.
You're tripping.
Am I?
You're tripping.
Am I tripping, guys?
It looks sick.
Yeah,
Show
she does
them,
look
show them
sick.
the other side.
Alright, what you guys think?
No, it looks good.
You think so?
Once the car's on the ground, then it's gonna look good. Trust.
Alright, Miguel. I'm trusting you.
Alright.
Sick ass angle.
Am I in it?
Yeah. On the other side, these two bolts are already in here. I don't know what for. They're like not holding anything in. But it turns out that this hole lines up perfectly with this one. And then we drilled another extra hole somewhere around here for this one. Thanks, Mig. Little EP3 action.
You ready?
Alright guys, the big reveal. Actually, I might just lower it and then we'll do a big reveal another day because it's hella hot and I gotta sleep. Hell yeah, that looks good. That looks hella good. Alright, bud. guys, we're back. Sorry for all the jumping around in this video. We're test fitting the lip on the Integra and we realized we're gonna need to cut it in those areas right there. Which makes sense because in some Integras the grill's not like this, it's just more open without those little black things. Yeah, we're gonna have to trim the lip, but should hopefully sit flush after that. Alright, you guys can see it's not fitting well. There's big gaps right here. So we're just gonna destroy this thing. Wow. What do you gotta say to that? How Mick said, you live and you learn.
Amen.
The Teggy had a dong.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I guess the search for a front lip still continues, but yeah, either way, we got the rear valence on. It looks good. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and catch you guys on the next one.